Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions that came in quite a few times since I talked about malware in Torrents websites is what are torrents and what it's all about. So basically, there's a way of downloading files that uses a host of computers together to make things faster and lower the load on a server. So here's the thing. When you download, for example, a game from the internet, if most of the time what happens is you download it from a server on a website, a company website. The problem with that is if many people are trying to download the same game, it puts a load on the server, and the companies need to actually add bandwidth, which costs money. So to fix this, something called peer-to-peer, which is what torrents use, was invented so that instead of taking the bits out of only one server, it takes the bits off of a lot of different servers. And one example that I could give of this is in Windows. In Windows, if you've noticed in the Windows Update section, there's a way to tell your PC to actually download from your own PCs or to download from other PCs on the internet. It is a form of torrent or peer-to-peer. What that does is that it reduces the load on the main server because your computer is downloading from other computers that also have the information available. Now, torrents are a place where a lot of people go and download files. Now, for a lot of people, torrents are illegal. There's nothing illegal about torrents themselves. What's illegal is what you do with it. So a lot of people think that because you have a torrent client on your PC, like uTorrent or MicroTorrent, that you are illegal. Well, no, because there are legal files that are downloaded that way. An example, lots of Linux distributions are actually done in a peer-to-peer way. So you can download them in torrents, and it reduces the load on the servers where it is also located. So all the computers get together. So what happens is that your computer will go to a tracker. The tracker will look at all the computers on the internet that has that file and will connect you to them. You are then becoming not just someone that receives bits from multiple computers, but your computer is also used to send out bits of the same download to other computers. And it makes things faster in general, reduces the load. So that's what torrents are. Unfortunately, torrents are, for the most part, used for bad things. So they're there to download illegal movies, they're there to download illegal games, music, and so on. So that's where there's a lot of bad stuff happening. And of course, the bad guys, like I talked in my previous video, have a tendency to use that to also push malware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.